Hello, I am Diana Noriga Riascos. I am the student for language with an emphasis in English. I am 19 years old. I am Puerto Tejada, Cauca, beautiful municipal with very helpful population. Uh, Currently live my tower. I am a high performing athlete, current travel in Sud-20, Cortuluá. I lead I turn strain a lot with my family and my sentimental parent. My mother, Ángela Riascos Collazos, who is a personal of great value and important for my life. My mother is beautiful woman of 39 year old, student of psychology in my side university. In my free time, I like um, to enjoy my mother and my boyfriend. Uh, um, watch this movie. Um, is good when eat hot food or when go out on family trip in my life. In my life, I have a very bad expensive with my sister because tanke Tandai um, we had a serious accident where my life um, and ended my future plans after college is too expensive. My two profession um, had without and responsibility in a very small apartment living only um, all with my parents. Thank you for listening.